The balcony is part of the home and can be used at any time for relaxing or for other leisure activities. The balcony is usable as an extension of the living room, and this cannot be possible without the placement of the best outdoor furniture for the balcony. The presence of this furniture on the balcony creates a welcoming and charming look on the balcony. If your apartment is small, don't worry. There are small apartment balcony furniture which will fit in perfectly. Also, balcony furniture come in different designs to give classic humor to the outdoor area. It is also essential to know that this furniture is usually made of weather-resistant materials to ensure they are suitable for outdoor use. However, choosing the best outdoor furniture for a balcony can be daunting. This is because of the numerous designs and the styles available in the market. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you balcony furniture and decor ideas or balcony makeover ideas for your inspiration. You can use these ideas to try to renovate or make over your balcony. Watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these ideas into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing or a decor business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when I upload new videos. Your subscription means a lot to us and inspires us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you're already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Placing balcony furniture, grills and lighting may require a degree of creativity. Adding tables, chairs, umbrellas, bird feeders, grills, shelves or lighting accessories could make a balcony cozier. Eating outdoors in a balcony can reduce stress, improve concentration and lead to better conversations. Balcony railing tables make these outcomes possible. A balcony railing table can also accentuate a railing system. In addition, there are several do-it-yourself balcony furniture ideas to choose from. One balcony furniture DIY idea is adding an umbrella to be prepared in the event of adverse weather conditions. Another DIY idea is a bird feeder for a balcony railing, which can provide an excellent opportunity to observe nature up close. Placing a standard gas or electric barbecue next to a railing system is generally recommended, since a balcony railing grill mounted on a railing system could lead to a dangerous situation. Balcony railing shelves can provide a place to put barbecue utensils. A freestanding set of shelves or a single balcony railing shelf mounted on a wooden top rail for a stainless steel railing system would be ideal. Before you make or purchase an outdoor furniture for balcony use, there are some considerations you need to make. Let's have a look at some of these considerations. Number 1. Furniture size and space. The first thing to consider when making or buying a piece of furniture for a balcony is to consider the size of the balcony regarding the furniture size. This will help you get the right size of furniture to use. When the furniture is too bulky for the available space, the comfort expected from that furniture won't be derived. Also, the wrong size of furniture on a small balcony can be useless if it doesn't fit appropriately. This makes considering the size in regards to the space available very important when making or buying your balcony furniture. Number 2. Flexibility. This is another important factor to consider when buying a piece of furniture for a small space. The flexibility will determine how versatile you can use the furniture. Some of this furniture is flexible in arrangement and style. Number 3. Durability. Durability is another important factor to consider when making or buying outdoor furniture. Many furniture is made of durable and weather-resistant or waterproof materials to make them suitable for outdoor use. In this case, knowing the difference between a weather-resistant material and weather-proof material is necessary. Also, there are different frames used in making this furniture and they withstand weather elements more than each other. To ensure your furniture can stand the test of time with little maintenance, you need to ensure all materials used are of high quality and standards. Number 4. Dimensions and flow. While considering the size of the furniture regarding the space available, the chair's lengths and breadths are also necessary. The dimension of the furniture will in turn enhance the comfort of the furniture. However, if your outdoor space features an odd shape using a couple of small pieces of furniture arranged stylishly around the space will do the magic. Also, ensuring the furniture blends with the existing design gives you outdoor space the classic ambience it deserves. Tips for making your balcony an outdoor oasis. Number 1. Measure your doorways. Measure your space and your doorway before you buy anything or before you make anything. Balconies tend to be small, so it's easy to choose furniture that's too large for the space, or worse, furniture that won't fit through your balcony door. Don't forget to think about space to move around the furniture, especially if you plan to add plants. If you're having a hard time making everything fit, consider a folding table or folding chairs so you can move them around and away when they're not in use. Number 2. Extend your living space. Size shouldn't deter you from creating a beautiful balcony that you can enjoy year-round. Whether you choose to design your balcony as an extension of the existing room or as an escape of its own, the use of scale, texture, and patterns can create a feeling of high-end luxury. If you decide to make your balcony an extension of an existing room, you will want the furniture and colors in both spaces to go well together. These rules don't apply to those creating an escape contained on the balcony, though. Number 3. Keep it simple in tight spaces. In a tight space, too much decor can come off as a clutter. Instead, try adding one focal point like a lounger and 1 or 2 finishing touches in coordinating colors. In addition, wall space is often overlooked and can be a clever place to add shelving for storage of your plants. Less is more when decorating tight spaces, so now might be the time to look for something minimalist inspiration. You will want room to walk, move, and stretch out when you relax. Add the furniture you need and a few accents that make the space complete. Then stop there. Number 4. Use sustainable, rust-resistant, and long-lasting materials. It's tempting to buy the cheapest balcony or outdoor dining furniture you can find, especially if you are on a rented who moves around. But buying sustainable, durable, and water-resistant furniture is a much better investment for the long run, and if you don't need it anymore, it tends to be maintaining a good resale value. Avoid iron furniture to prevent rust and opt for more sustainable materials as teak and cedar. Aesthetics, budget, and lifestyle are 3 design elements to consider when buying anything for your home. If you plan to leave your furniture out year-round, be sure to get all-weather wicker, which is made of woven plastic to look like wicker or metal. It's also helpful to choose pieces that fold or stack together to save space. If your furniture stays out on the balconies 365 days a year, it's also worth investing in some furniture covers to keep it as at its best. Number 5. Add some greenery. Creating shade and privacy with large plants. The plants don't even have to be real, just be sure they look real and are rated for outdoor use. Put them in pretty ceramic pots or baskets. Plants and greenery are fabulous ways to personalize and enhance your balcony. Hanging plants and large potted plants are good choices that need minimal to medium attention. Number 6. Include some outdoor decor. To make your balcony feel like a true outdoor living space and the perfect space for lounging away those summer nights, think about the decor and lighting that goes alongside your furniture. Layer your outdoor lighting. Start with an inexpensive set of globe string lights overhead. Then add a few candle lanterns to the table for a cozy romantic look. Of course, you can always use LED candles if real ones are not allowed. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting modern balcony furniture and decor ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your project from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.